The bells will ring on April 9th, marking the 150th anniversary of the surrender at Appomattox, for 4 minutes. And I think those 4 minutes are significant for a number of reasons. One year, 1 minute for each year of the war. But that length of time, not a single ring, but that length of time really invites us to pause and to see the ending of the war as a distinct moment, not simply as prelude to everything coming next, but as a distinct moment in which nobody knew what was coming next. But everybody did know that it would be different. I think of Susie King Taylor, who had been born a slave. She was a slave when the war began in Georgia. She was freed during the war. She worked as a nurse in South Carolina. She married a Union soldier. After the war, she was returning back to the city of Savannah, where during the war or before the war, she couldn't read, she couldn't marry, she couldn't walk through the streets without a pass. She couldn't gather in a group of African Americans without white supervision. She was returning with her husband and a group of friends to teach school. Life would hold many disappointments for her, just as there'd be many tragic disappointments following the war. But it was different, and she knew it was different. And the ringing of those bells really asks us to pause in that moment.